In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a substitute on Deliveroo through a quick and easy tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned Deliveroo user or relatively new to the platform, learning how to add a substitute is a handy skill, especially when you need someone to take care of deliveries on your behalf. Perhaps when you have a scheduling conflict or you're simply unable to complete your deliveries. So let's dive in and take a step-by-step look at how you can set this up in your app. First, you need to open your Deliveroo app. If you've been using Deliveroo for a while, you probably have it right there on your home screen. But if not, just find it in your app drawer or wherever you keep your downloaded apps. Opening the app gets things rolling, so make sure you're logged into your account as this process won't work in guest mode. Once in the app, make your way to your account profile. You'll typically find this by looking for either a profile icon or your initials at the top right corner of the screen. This is your hub, where all your personal information and account settings are stored. Tapping on this takes you one step closer to managing your deliveries. Next up, look for the section labeled Subcontractors. This option allows you to see a list of any subcontractors already added. Subcontractors are simply the people who can do deliveries on your behalf, so this section is pretty important if you're looking to add or manage substitutes. After selecting subcontractors, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a plus sign which signifies adding something new. Go ahead and click on it. This is where we begin the process of adding those crucial details of the person you'd like to substitute you on Deliveroo. Now comes the fun part, adding the details of your subcontractor. Be thorough and accurate here, as this information ensures that your substitute is correctly recorded in the system. You typically need their name, contact information, and any other details requested by the app. Make sure everything is filled out accurately and completely, as errors could delay involving them in your delivery. So that's it, simple and straightforward. With those steps, you can easily add a substitute on Deliveroo, ensuring your deliveries continue smoothly even when you can't be there in person. Keep in mind that it's always a good idea to communicate with your substitute, ensuring clarity for both parties involved. I hope this tutorial made the process clear for you and sets you on your way to seamless delivery management. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.